Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's Graphy here. Today I was able to get 3 hour. I was able to get a 3 hour trade today, and I'll be showing you how and why we took this trade. And mind you, this trade has taken us back to break even. So let's get straight into it. On the higher time frame, although we have a close above on the daily time frame, using daily time frame, we have a close above, right? We closed above the candle, right? And I was expecting price to move higher, but we have if you could remember my my last trade breakdown, my outlook, I was expecting price to move higher to the OTE levels. That's the 0.75%. Yeah, 0.75%, and then retrace or move lower from there, coupled with the weekly order block that we had. So yesterday, Wednesday, formed a range, and then we tapped into that previous day's high, and then we are looking to trade to the 50% of that. So now, using time frame alignments, right, we went to the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this is the previous day's high, as you can see here, the previous day's high, and we tapped it. So I was looking for trades to move lower. Then we got this trade here. Yeah, and then I went to the 15 minutes to look for my entry. 15 minutes to look for my entry, and I targeted a 3 hour trade right here. Now you would be wondering, why did I use 3 hour? Why did I take the trade on the 15 minutes instead of the 5 minutes, using time frame alignment from the daily to the 1 hour to the 5 minutes? Now, why I used 15 minutes was because I wasn't using the 1 hour CLT at first. I was using the 4 hour CLT, right? I was using the 4 hour CLT, and if you could look at the 4 hours, we have the fair value gap nested just above it, right? It was nested just above it, and I used this CLT here. I used the 9 p.m. CLT for this trade. So that was how I was able. That is why I used the 15 minutes instead of the 1 minute. So moving on, since we have a change state of delivery on the daily time frame, I will be looking for trades to the 50% of this daily range, and subsequently the low of the daily range. So first off, same thing as always, I looked at the buyers. I already marked out my higher time frame daily range, the OTE level. There was a fair value gap nested just above it on the 4 hours time frame. I used the 9 p.m. as my CLT, and I got my confirmation, and I entered and I looked for 3 hours. It's as simple as that. You don't have to, trading doesn't have to be complicated. So I'm going to see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys are good. Thank you all. I'll see you guys in the next one.